Do you know that turmeric has the ability to reverse aging? This plant, which is widely used, originated from India. Turmeric has been used for centuries as a traditional remedy for various ailments, including skin conditions. It is believed to have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties that can help improve the overall health and appearance of the skin. When used correctly, this plant will do wonders. This video shows you the best way to use turmeric to get hold of its numerous benefits. First, here are some ways in which turmeric can benefit the skin. It reduces inflammation. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that has strong anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a common cause of skin problems such as eczema and acne. Turmeric, with the help of this compound, can help reduce inflammation and soothe irritated skin. Turmeric also helps fight free radicals. It contains a very powerful antioxidant that can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are molecules that can damage the skin cells and contribute to premature aging. Turmeric also helps brighten the skin. It can help even out skin tone and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Now, there are several ways to use turmeric for the skin. You could use it as a face mask, in a facial oil, in a DIY scrub. But today I'm going to tell you another way to use turmeric to get all its benefits. This way is by directly consuming turmeric. However, studies have shown that consuming turmeric alone may not be as beneficial to our bodies as we think. Instead, mixing it with 2 other ingredients could make all the difference. These ingredients are black pepper and olive oil. Now let me break it down. Turmeric is oil soluble, meaning it needs oil for your stomach to digest it properly and for your body to absorb the benefits. For the best results, opt for virgin olive oil or extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil contains a compound called lecithin. Lecithin helps the body absorb more of the turmeric into the bloodstream. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids and antioxidants and works best because it contains the right amount of fat for turmeric to work its magic. Black pepper is another effective way to get the best result from consuming the spice. Black pepper contains an enzyme known as piperine, which allows your body to properly absorb turmeric into your system. Opt for ground black pepper as it works best. It is also recommended that heat is the best way for turmeric to work well with your body. So always try and consume it hot where possible. You can opt to drink it as a tea or a hot beverage, although adding it to your regular diet is also recommended. Do you eat turmeric? How do you include it into your diet? Let us know in the comment section. We've come to an end of this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel in order to get access to more videos.